Hi guys, welcome to a dance tutorial. Today I'm gonna be teaching you Stateside by Zara Larsson. So yeah, let's begin. The first move you do is like putting back your arm like that, and the other arm like is pushing it like that. So you go like this, and when you do that, you like go forward with your leg. So then, so okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, then, and after that you go like, I take 2 arms because I think that looks better, but you can take 1 arm too. So after you go like this, or so when you take 1 more step after that, so it'll be like dun dun. Okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. And after you do this, you're gonna like turn around. So you need to have your left leg in front so you can turn on your right leg. So when you land the turn, you're gonna like up with your hands and then down like this and dun dun. So it's like turn, up, dun, dun. 5, 6, 7, 8. And with your body, you do like dun, dun, dun. With your hips, so you like dun, dun. With your hands, so dun, dun. Let's try that from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so after this, you go like dun, dun. So the same movement with your hips, but you go like dun, 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 dun. So you like take away from your hand and smash. So now we're gonna add some steps more. So after this, you go like, so you like do like, you turn your head, you do like this movement with your hands, like you turn them around with your fingers like this, so like that, and then you like push them together. So, and with your legs, you just take like a step back there and let this leg, the right leg, slide like that. So, and when you like do this, your right leg comes to the left leg like that. So okay, after this we're gonna go like 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So you're gonna go like dun 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 dun, right left, and like your hands, you're gonna go like dun 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 dun. So like first you hold your hands like this, like dun dun, and when you go back, you go like dun 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 dun, like dun dun dun. So yeah, let's try that from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so yeah, let's take that from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. After this, you go like, some people do like a turn, just like dun, and some people go like dun 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 dun. I don't really know. I think I do like dun 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 dun. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you all that. So dun 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 dun. It goes like really fast, like dun 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 dun. Yeah, so you stand like this, like dun 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 dun. So when you're like, your right hand comes back, you look back. So you do like dun 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 dun. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. So after you do like this, you like go with your head really like quick, like dun. It's like you go dun 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 boom, and after that you're gonna go. You hold your feet like this, and your hand as your head, and she says like boots, like boots. Yeah, boots. That's mine. Yeah. Okay, we'll take that from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The last step is like you're gonna go like with your hands. You're just gonna like cross them and like do. So like. Or you can also do like this, like yeah. But I do like then, and your like body goes like dun dun, like so like they are like your legs are like kinda this, but like not so much like this, and like then your right leg goes in like that, and you like to push your hips up like yeah. And there's another part after this that you can learn where like yeah, it's like this or something. Yeah, I don't know it really that much, so I'm not gonna teach that if I do it wrong. So yeah, now we're gonna take it from the top 3 times, and then we're gonna take it with music. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna do it with music. Okay, let's do this with music. Okay, 5.
I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, opening up, make me a headline. Boots, that's my ego.
You can slow that down in the YouTube settings if you want to. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Bye!